Hello traders, one of the most important concepts we need to understand is the trend. A trend simply shows the general direction of the market, whether it's moving up, moving down, or just ranging sideways. In this video, we are going to find out what's trend. Next, we will learn about different types of trends in the market. And finally, we will learn why trend is important. The trend is the general direction in which the market is moving. Can be upward, downward, or sideways. Recognizing trends helps traders align with market momentum instead of trading against it. We have three types of trends. One is uptrend with higher highs and higher lows that indicates strong buying pressure. The other is downtrend with lower lows and lower highs that indicates strong selling. And third is sideways, which price moves in a range and market is in decision before next big moves. Trading in the direction of the trend not only improves your chances of success, but also helps manage risk. Instead of guessing, you're following what the market is already telling you. This makes it easier to find profitable entries and safe exits. Now, let's introduce our Madrid Ribbon indicator for MetaTrader 5. The Madrid Ribbon is a powerful moving average ribbon that helps traders quickly spot market trends and reversals. It's simple, visual, and effective. Green shades highlight uptrends and buying opportunities, while red shades reveal downtrends and selling signals. In the indicator setting, you can easily switch between exponential moving averages for faster signals or simple moving average for smoother trends. This makes the ribbon adaptable to your trading style. Instead of analyzing countless indicators, you get instant clarity. The color-coded layers make it easy to see momentum shifts and align your trades with the trend. The Madrid Ribbon gives you confidence to follow strong trends and avoid false entries. Add it to your chart today and trade with precision.